Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. So for this tutorial I'm following this video. The first counts are 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On 5, you're going to bring your right claw out, and on 6, bring your left claw out like this. So you're going to bring your right claw, then your left claw. Then bring your claws up, 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 up on 7, 8, and then put your hands into fist, right in the front, left in the back, arms up. So that's before the chorus. So from the beginning, right, left, up, up, up. Then we're going to continue on 1 and 2 and. So our arms are up with our hands into fist, right in the front, left in the back, and bring out your right index finger up first, then switch and bring your left index finger up, then one more time, right index finger up, and lastly, left index finger up. So with your hands up, you're going to switch right, then left, then right, then left, and move your hips to the same direction, to the left, to the right, to the left, and to the right. So all together, hips to the left, left, right. One more time with count after 7, 8, 1 and 2 and. Now let's repeat from the very beginning from 5, 6 from this part. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and. After this on 3, you're going to bring your left leg out and push your body to the left side like this. So move to the left side and your claws are going to be crossed in front of your chest. Like this, claws in to your chest. And after, in the same position, face your claws out. So from them being in, face them out. So from here, claws in and out. Then switch to the right side. Now face your body to the right side. Okay, like this, from left to the right. Your arms are still crossed in front of your chest with your claws out. You're going to bring them in, okay, like this, in the right side. And again, in the same position, bring them out. So just repeat the same move. So left side and right side, okay? Bring your claws out. From there, right claw is going down. So arm is stretched all the way down, okay? Facing the left side, body to the left, claw down, and your left claw from there. Your left claw is going to also go down, but your body now facing to the right side and step in with your left leg. So from here, claw down and step in and stay in your place. So with count, it's going to be 3, 4, switch, 5, 6, okay? Then 7, 8. These were the first 8 counts. Let's repeat from the very beginning. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, monster, monster, high, monster, high, monster, monster, high. After this, the next counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So on 1, step out with your left leg and bring your right leg in. So step with the left and right leg in. And like push your body to the left side. Okay, and then your hands, with your right hand, slide it through your chest and bring your right claw up. Okay, next to you. So one more time. 1, 2. Okay, step with your right. So 1, 2. Then on 3, 4, do the same thing, but now step with your right leg out and bring your left in, okay? And wave your body to the right. So from there, you're going to slide your hand through your chest and bring your left claw up. Okay, like this. That's on 3, 4. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now both of your claws are up like this. And bring your claws down and pose. So from here, claws are going down and step with your left leg out. Claws going down, down, down. And we're going to make yun chase pose. So your right claw is going to your left shoulder and your left claw is just going to your right hip. Okay, like this. Just pose like this and flex your knees down. Okay, so from here, 3, 4, 5, on 6, pose, and on 7 and you're going to bounce down 2 times, okay, in that pose. So bounce, bounce, and on 8, bring your hands up, 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 and follow the pose we did before in the beginning, like this. So fist up, okay. So from here, 7 and 8, your arms are going up. So from the beginning, from this part, with count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Well done. Now let's repeat from the very beginning, okay, before the chorus, from 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And after we end in this pose, we're going to repeat the exact same thing we did right now. From the beginning, just repeat the same thing. It's just the same moves. So like repeating the chorus 2 times. Okay? It's just that in the end, we're going to do a slight change. So after this, instead of putting your fist up, just put your hands like this, okay, on top of your head. And if you don't want to repeat the exact same pose we did before, at first we did yun chase pose. If you want to just switch members, you can just do Sophia's pose or Megan's pose or Manon's or Daniela's or Lara's. In my case, I'm following Lara's pose. So just bring your hands, okay, your arms all the way up, okay, so your claws from here are going up and just put your claws next to your face like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.